Hey, there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that every landlord will find valuable: how to maximize your profit through insightful renovations. So, if you're a landlord looking to boost your property's value, stick around, this one's for you. Let's dive in, shall we? First up, the kitchen. This is a space that renters pay a lot of attention to. You don't need a full remodel, focus on the essentials. Upgrading appliances, replacing old countertops, and adding a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Always remember to choose durable materials to withstand wear and tear. Next, the bathroom. A clean, modern bathroom is a huge selling point. Consider installing new fixtures, like a water-saving toilet or an upgraded showerhead. Small changes like these can significantly impact your property's appeal. Don't overlook the power of curb appeal. The exterior of your property is the first impression potential tenants get. Fresh paint, landscaping, and adequate outdoor lighting can dramatically improve the perception of your property. Next, consider energy-efficient upgrades. These can be as simple as installing LED lights or as extensive as adding insulation. While the upfront cost might be higher, these upgrades can save you money in the long run and attract eco-conscious tenants. Lastly, don't forget the small touches that make a place feel like home. Fresh paint, new carpeting, or updated fixtures can make a big difference. Remember, it's all about making your tenants feel comfortable and valued. Remember, the goal of these renovations is not just to increase your property's value but also to attract and keep high-quality tenants. It's a win-win situation. That's it for today, folks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, comment below with your own renovation tips. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, happy investing.